We got a call from my daughter-in-law in the middle of this, and she said, we've got to leave your house right now, my daughter's house. She said, we got to leave right now. The water's coming up through the house. We got to go. And it's getting dark, you know, and you definitely ain't going through water in the dark. And so about 10 o'clock, we started checking the water, and it started going down a little bit. And finally, we were able to get through one roadway, and we got to their house, was able to kick in the doors and rescue the dogs. We had to leave our chickens, cats, and everything behind. We got the 2 dogs out. And at this point, everything in their house is floating. Water's a never-ending need in this county. You can't drink the water here in any county, in any city or town here. So water's a never-ending need. We give people truckloads. I don't care how much they take. They can take all the water they can haul. So this is all flood debris up in here and up on the pipes and stuff. I don't have any power down here, so we ran this extension cord. This air handler is completely full of mud. So you can see the debris above there. All of my ducts are gone. My whole duct system is gone. And we haven't shoveled this room yet, but this is where the boiler's at. If you can step to the edge, you can see back there. The boiler, the hot water heater, all that stuff is back there. It's all destroyed. So that means no heat in this building until they get that boiler in. So hopefully it'll come today.
We were already a struggling county, and now this has caused, it's not just Welch that was affected, it was our whole county that was affected. About 3:30, we noticed the river rising, but I've been used to the river rising. About 6:30, we evacuated because about halfway up the house is when the water, where the water was. But luckily, our school, where it resides right beside of a river, it did not get affected like in the classrooms, the gym, anywhere else, just the kitchen. I mean, we've seen there is research on kids being out of school from COVID and the negative impact. So the longer kids are out of school, the larger the impact, the negative impact is going to be.